Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Avenue Hotel, Ascend Hotel Collection. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, facilities for disabled guests, 24-hour front desk, laundry, daily housekeeping and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Avenue Hotel, Ascend Hotel Collection offers accommodations in Los Angeles, 1.9 miles from Paramount Pictures Studio Tours. Free Wi-Fi is provided throughout the property. Decorated in modern decor, guest rooms at Avenue Hotel, Ascend Hotel Collection include a large flat-screen TV, a Keurig coffee, a mini refrigerator and an in-room safe. A private bathroom with free toiletries and a hairdryer is also provided in each room. A 24-hour multilingual front desk is available to assist guests of the property. Koreatown is 1.8 miles away from Avenue Hotel, Ascend Hotel Collection. Upscale shopping opportunities at the Grove are 15 minutes drive away. Los Angeles International Airport is 40 minutes drive away from Avenue Hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.